Number one, identifying the next of kin. Natalie, can you talk a little bit about, the next of kin and who that is when it comes to the probate process?
Sure. So the next of kin is the closest living relatives to the deceased party. So whether that's a surviving spouse, if you and the surviving spouse have children, that would be your children. If there are no children, then you would look to parents. If the parents are deceased, you would then look to either some grandparents, whether there's cousins, you just kind of keep going down until you find the closest relatives.
Right. And, like Natalie says, it's kind of like a process that we do with the probate court to identify that next of kin. So one of the first things that we recommend that you do is locate a will, because if there's a will, then it will identify who's supposed to inherit. And as Natalie said, it's the next living loved one who may inherit if there's no will. And what we do is that's called the intestate succession process. And so it's the process that the probate court follows to kind of create a family tree. And then once the probate court creates the family tree, they identify who the people are and if they're legally entitled to inherit. Now, the next thing, as we're gathering this essential information, one of the things that we always talk to clients about are the distinction between probate assets and non-probate assets.